According to the Stoic philosophies, Seneca, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Ayaw entertain na ng mga negative thoughts nimo na nag-circulate sa imong huna-huna every time ng feeling nimo dili na ko ni kaya. Maulaw man ko buhaton ni. Dagan makay sila mga comments, dagan makay sila mga negative na istorya sa kuha. Yeah, manang gipasabot ni Seneca na we suffer more in imagination than reality. Instead na buhaton na to sa atong nasa tong present, nasa tong atubangan karon, which is you're in control sa life nimo. Dili ang laing tao ang nai-control sa imo. So we suffer more in the imagination. Ayaw padala sa mga istorya nila. Labi na sa atong huna-huna kasi atong kontra mismo, atong kaugalingon ra. Seneca says, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Ipasabot dari na malipay ta sa mga ginagmay na butang sa unsa ang naasay mong present karon. We need to appreciate those small things na naa na to karon. Kasi paminaw na to tungod sa focus na kita sa itong trabaho. Malimtan na nato malipay sa mga gagmay na butang na kailangan nato ma-appreciate kasi it could affect sa itong future kung unsa maganit ato mga emotions karon. According to Marcus Aurelius, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. We can choose what we want in life. So, I mean to say, ikaw mismo take in charge kung saan i-absorb mo na information into your thoughts. If negative thoughts lang imong permente, gina-entertain into your brain, it could be the result also how you perceive in other people between the output that you give into them. If masuko ka sa imong thoughts palang daan, in your mind palang daan, you can also bring it into the other people. You can say also to them in a bad way. So mean to say, you will be the one to take in charge of how you perceive your thoughts. Someday you will become successful. Yeah, you will become successful entrepreneur or successful architect, painter, or engineer, whatever it is. Just believe in it. Just believe into yourself that you can do it. Not to yourself, but the wisdom that God given to you into your thoughts. People also a wisdom to Him, so that you will be guided. I'm rooting for your success, and God bless everyone. Peace.